Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at formatting alternate rows in Microsoft Excel using conditional formatting. I'm going to start by selecting the data that I want to format. On the Home tab of the ribbon, I'm going to Conditional Formatting. I'm going to select New Rule. And then we're going to use a formula to determine which cells to format. And click in here and you're going to type your formula. And it's equal mod, open bracket, row, open and close bracket, a comma, the number 2, bracket equal 0. Let's go and get the color to use. So I'm going in here to the fill. I'm going to select the fill color. We're going to make this a light green. Click OK. In a minute, when we click OK, even number rows are going to be colored green. And this is the reason why. What this formula does is it firstly goes and gets the row number. So that's what row bracket bracket is. It gets the row number. So let's have a look and see what's happening, for example, in row 6. So the row number would be 6. And the comma 2 says divide the row number by 2. Well, 6 divided by 2 is 3. And the modulus says when you do that division, I'm only interested in what's left over. 6 divided by 2 is 3. There's nothing left over. In other words, the modulus is going to be 0. And so 0 equals 0. What's left over equals 0. It's true, and this color is going to be applied to the cell. So when I click OK, we see immediately that the even number rows are colored that way, colored the green. Now we can write one for odd number rows as well. Let's go back and do conditional formatting. This is a new rule. We'll select use a formula to determine which cells to format. We're going to click in here and we're going to write a similar command. Equal mod, open bracket, row, open and close bracket, comma, 2, close bracket. But this time we're going to say equals 1. So in row 7, for example, 7 divided by 2 is 3, but there's 1 left over. Mod just returns what's left over. So the mod of this is 1. 1 equals 1. And so this is going to be the format. We're going to do an orangey yellow for this. And click OK. Now the benefit of writing formulas like that, very simply but well explained, is that you could actually make this so that there were 3 colors that you were using. So one row would be one color, the next would be the second color, this would be the third color, and then this would be the first color, second color, third color, etc. So up on the screen now are the formulae that you would use to do that modulus calculation, but this time instead of dividing by 2, we're dividing by 3. And of course we're going to track the results, because when you divide by 3, for example, 6 divided by 3 is 2, nothing left over. 7 divided by 3 is 2 with 1 left over. 8 divided by 3 is still 2, but it's got 2 left over. And then 9 divided by 3, of course, is 3 again, nothing left over. So you're always going to have either nothing, 1, or 2 left over when you divide by 3. If you like carefully researched content like this, clearly presented in a step-by-step format so that you can get great results every time, then you'll love my other YouTube videos. So give this video a thumbs up and click to subscribe to the channel. And on the screen now, you'll see a video that I've handpicked for you to watch next.